Learn English with Sopodiva will dwell today on how to ace a job interview. Well, let's start by understanding what a job interview is. In its simplest form, it's a conversation between you and a potential employer. The employer wants to see if you're the right fit for their team, and you want to find out if this job is the right fit for you. But who can attend a job interview? Well, essentially anyone, whether you're fresh out of university, looking to climb the career ladder, or even considering a complete career change. A job interview is a step you'll likely have to take. So, it's not just for job seekers in the traditional sense, but also for those seeking promotions or looking to shift lanes in their career journey. Understanding this is the first step towards acing that interview. Now that we understand what a job interview is, let us delve into how to prepare for one. Preparation is key to acing any job interview. Let's break down the process, shall we? First, dig deep into the company you're interviewing for. Understand its mission, its values, culture, and recent accomplishments. This will not only help you tailor your responses, but also show that you're genuinely interested. Next up, understand the job description inside out. Identify the skills and experiences the employer is looking for. This will help you highlight relevant experiences and skills during the interview. Now let's talk about preparing responses. Practice makes perfect, so rehearse answers to common interview questions. Remember, authenticity is key, so aim to reflect your true self and experiences in your responses. We can't ignore the importance of first impressions. Dress appropriately for the industry and the company, and of course, arrive early. Punctuality speaks volumes about your professionalism. With adequate preparation, you can walk into any interview room with confidence. The day has arrived, it's showtime. You're seated across from your potential employer, heart pounding, mind racing, but remember, this is your moment to shine. Maintaining eye contact is key. It communicates confidence and attentiveness. It tells your interviewer that you're fully engaged in this conversation. Listen carefully to their questions. Don't rush to respond. Take a moment to gather your thoughts and provide concise, relevant answers. And remember, it's perfectly okay to ask for clarification if you didn't understand the question. As the interview nears its conclusion, don't be shy to ask insightful questions about the company, the team, or the role. This demonstrates your interest and shows that you've done your homework. Interviews can be nerve-wracking, but remember, they're not just about the company assessing you. You're also there to assess them, to see if this is a place where you can thrive and grow. Remember, an interview is a two-way street. It's not just about them assessing you, but also about you assessing them. While there are things you should do during an interview, there are also things you should avoid. As much as an interview is an opportunity for you to show your best self, it's also a minefield of potential missteps. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes: speaking negatively about a previous employer. It's a small world and you never know who knows whom. Plus, it's unprofessional and can leave your prospective employer wondering if you'll do the same to them. Next, there's the danger of appearing disinterested. Even if your nerves are getting the best of you, it's crucial to show enthusiasm for the role and the company. Remember, they're not just hiring a set of skills, they're hiring a person. Finally, failing to ask questions can be a major misstep. It can indicate a lack of preparation or interest. Having a few insightful questions up your sleeve can show that you're engaged and serious about the role. Avoiding these pitfalls can significantly improve your chances of securing the job. So you've walked out of the interview room. Now what? First off, take a moment to breathe and reflect. Give yourself a pat on the back for getting through it. Now let's consider some signs that your interview went well. Did the interviewer discuss the next steps in the process? Or perhaps even broach the topic of salary? These are positive signs that you made your mark. But remember, it's not all about reading the room. There are steps you can take post-interview to leave a lasting impression. One simple yet powerful action is sending a thank you note. It shows your appreciation for the opportunity and your continued interest in the role. It's a small gesture that can make a big difference. And lastly, don't forget to self-evaluate. Reflect on what went well and what could be improved for future interviews. Remember, every interview is a learning experience, so whether you get the job or not, always take something away from the experience. Often a second language is a valuable asset. In West Africa, French and English are key. If you need to learn any of those, remember Sopodiva Training Center is your best partner, both one-on-one in person or online. We are a call away, plus 233 267 092 896. See you soon.